Yeah, we're going out. Have a good day, friend.
You keep a piece of my heart close to you forever. I know that we can weather the storm. Apply that pressure in my bleeding heartbeat makes it hard to breathe. Time waits for no one. Love is asking us to slow down. You're only human. You'd rather wait until I'm not around.
I'll give you stars and the moon and a soul to guide you, and promise I'll never go. I'll give you hope to bring out all the life inside you, and the strength that will help you grow. I'll give you truth and a future that's 20 times better than any Hollywood plot. And I thought, you know, I'd rather have a yacht.
I wish that I could cut them off.